It is December 31st, 2025 on New Year's Eve, and we got some pretty crazy weather to talk about, so let's jump straight into it. We're going to be seeing a big temperature change. We're going to be seeing warmer temperatures starting to come into the United States soon here. That's going to lead to a lot of severe weather and stuff like that. So yeah, this is what it looks like right now on the Climate Prediction Center. You can see anywhere from Texas up there into Nebraska, we're going to be seeing some pretty above average temperatures. Anyone pretty much inside of the circle will be seeing above average temperatures starting on January 5th. It's still going to be pretty cold. We're still going to see a few snowstorms before this happens, but on January 5th, this is the warm-up that's going to happen. So it's going to lead to a lot of crazy stuff. Another thing that I want to talk about is on New Year's, we have a marginal risk for Los Angeles. And this is pretty crazy because we had a tornado near Los Angeles around Christmas time. Now it's New Year's. Well, it's about to be New Year's. Tomorrow is New Year. And we're going to be seeing a possibility to see another tornado in the Los Angeles area again on New Year's. What in the world is going on? This is going to cause a lot of crazy problems here. It's going to possibly cause flooding for some of you guys. Make sure to get prepared for that if you're out there in the Los Angeles area. And yeah, you probably would want to get your sandbags out and put them on your house areas, because it's probably going to flood again for some of you guys, especially the areas who already got the flooding back around Christmas time. This is going to be causing a lot of problems. This is probably going to cause a lot of landslides maybe. And yeah, some of the soil is already wet, and this is probably going to make it even worse. So yeah, just traveling is going to be dangerous out here if you're traveling on New Year's out here in parts of southwestern California. And yeah, this is what it's going to be looking like today at 3 p.m. out here. You see, look at all that rain. That's going to be causing a lot of rain over there. But tomorrow we're actually going to have some supercells and stuff like that starting to develop out here in parts of the Pacific Ocean. And some of those supercells could go up to Los Angeles area. It can even cause we could even see a water spout go from the water onto land. And it's probably going to cause a tornado somewhere out here, and we probably are going to see a tornado. So yeah, just be aware for tornadoes. Don't be scared. Just be prepared, because it's gonna pack a punch, and it's gonna be pretty dangerous. Yeah. So just be aware for tornadoes, winds, and maybe some flooding out here in the Los Angeles area, and maybe even if you're up there towards Sacramento. And San Francisco and San Jose, there's still going to be a possibility for some flooding up here as well. But yeah, just make sure you stay aware. Moving on up north, we're up here looking at Ohio, Indiana, Michigan, Pennsylvania, New York, and some of these areas, Wisconsin, Illinois. We got some crazy weather up here that's going to be happening. So let's talk about that up next. So right now, we do got some lake effect snow going on for a lot of the people in the Great Lakes region, and that's going to cause some dangerous travel conditions for some of you guys, especially if you're traveling in western New York or western Pennsylvania or northeastern Ohio. It's definitely going to be dangerous. So if you're over there traveling, make sure to be aware for icy roads, and traveling is discouraged if you're over there. We actually got a winter storm warning for over here in parts of Virginia, so you guys could see some winter storm conditions, as well as over here for western New York. We're going to see some winter storm conditions as well. So yeah, this lake effect snow is going to be causing dangerous traveling conditions. So but do you see this little snowstorm up here right now, this little clipper up here in parts of Minnesota right now? Let's go up here. This thing right here, that's going to make its way down into Chicago, through Indiana, into Ohio, and that's also going to cause a lot of problems. So that's what we're going to be talking about next. It's going to make its way down into Chicago. So what it looks like today at 3 p.m. over here in Chicago. See that we could see some rain, some snow. Actually, some pretty big snowflakes will be a possibility over there in Chicago. And we could actually possibly see some blizzard conditions out here. And look at this. See this this line of darkness right here, over here. That is just like heavy snow, and that means it's probably going to be a snow squall, and this is very interesting. And we have a cold front behind it pushing through as well, and it's going to be causing a lot of snow over here. If you're wondering what this blue is, the blue is snow and the green is rain. And I mean, it's going to be crazy. It's going to move through Fort Wayne. The snow squall is going to move through Fort Wayne around 8 p.m. and 9 p.m. It's going to move through Columbus and Central Ohio from 10 p.m. to midnight, and that's going to be causing some problems as well there. And then it's going to move through Indianapolis all the way down here and cause some problems down here as well. And it's definitely going to cause dangerous traveling conditions out here. So also be aware for snow squalls, and definitely do recommend pulling over if you do get a snow squall warning. And we even got some special weather statements out here for Fort Wayne, Indianapolis, over there into Delaware, Ohio, and Lima. We got some special weather statements over here. These special weather statements are for snow and slick roads late this afternoon into tonight. And untreated roads will become snow-covered and slippery. If traveling, allow for extra time to reach your destination and be prepared for winter driving conditions. And yeah, be aware for snow squalls out here too. So, yeah. And it's eventually this storm is going to make its way up into the northeast and combine with some of this Atlantic energy over here, and it's going to combine with some of the rain, and we could see some nor'easter conditions if you're out here in extreme northeast, but I would not call this a nor'easter, and we don't really have to worry about it too much up here. But and this is the reason why we have a winter storm warning out here for parts of extreme eastern Maine. After that thing passes through, the lake effect snow is going to get worse, and we could see some snow within the Great Lakes region again, causing some more snow. And we were expected to actually see a lot of snowfall totals out here. Over here, we could see up to 16 inches, possibly if you're in parts of anywhere in this circle, 5 to 16 inches possible. If you're over here in Cleveland, we could see up to 1 to 5 inches. Up here, we could see a lot of snow as well up here. So yeah, we're going to be seeing a lot of snow after this thing passes through because of lake effect snow. We're going to be seeing all kinds of different crazy weather in January 2026. And we could see some severe weather. We could see some pretty big snowstorms out here. We could see some ice storms as we get through mid-January. But after January 5th, it just gets worse from that and on. And yeah, it's just going to get pretty crazy. So make sure to stay aware of this January for weather. And I'll keep you guys updated throughout January. Thank you guys for watching Electric Tornado. Thank you for all the support in 2025. I had fun giving you guys updates, and yeah, it was pretty crazy. This year was crazy. We had the Enderlin, North Dakota EF5 tornado. It was the first EF5 in 12 years from now. And then down here in Jamaica, we had a Category 5 hurricane, one of the worst hurricanes in the world. Literally happened as well. And I mean, it was just a crazy 2025, and I enjoyed keeping you guys updated. And I'll continue to keep you guys updated throughout 2026, and I will make videos throughout 2026 as well. Sadly, no live streams because something happened with live streaming and I can't live stream anymore. But I will keep you guys updated with the weather. And yeah, it seems like tornado season will be pretty crazy. So tornado season is spring, just to let you guys know. So also be aware for tornado season in spring. And yeah, thank you for all the support. And I'll see you guys in the next Electric Tornado weather update video.